Saturday, 6:18 p.m., and we're back home.
And just a clarification, we're not going to invoke the Fifth Amendment privilege, so you can re-ask that question if you like.
Which question?
Did you commit domestic violence against Johnny Depp?
Amber Heard won the first trial against Johnny Depp in the UK, and honestly, that was sketchy after seeing all the evidence on abuse and defamation during the Fairfax trial. The actress received a lot of backlash after their most recent trial because there was so much proof on how she physically and emotionally abused her ex-husband. She even lost the tip of his finger that time. The jury decided that she was the one guilty of all of these accusations and not Johnny Depp. They're making her pay him $10 million for punitive damages. But she won't sit still and is planning on appealing their verdict. Old footage from her deposition during the UK trial is about to ruin her chances of appeal, though. You can easily see through her body language that she was lying the entire time. Her eyes keep wandering around all the time and they look entirely expressionless, as if she was lying. And as soon as the questions come in, she looks around the room, avoiding the lawyer, maybe due to boredom or the fact that she doesn't want to be there.
Times when we fought, well, not many times, he hit me for a very long time before I ever
I'm going to
picked up my
check as
arms.
non-responsive and move.
When you look around the room when being talked to, that just shows that you have a lack of interest in what's going on. Then, whenever she actually spoke to answer the questions, it seemed like she was unsure of what she was saying because she kept doing mouth shrugs. Amber cares so little about this deposition that she actually eats during the questioning. Who in their right mind would do that? Plus, she looked so mad every time someone asked her a question. It's weird because isn't she the one who wanted to persecute him for being an abuser in the first place? It's getting frustrating. The UK trial wasn't televised then, so we just saw snippets of the entire thing. Johnny sued the Sun years ago for calling him a wife beater. He initially lost that and lost all his supporters, as well as his career. When he tried to appeal the case to a higher court, senior judges flatly rejected him, saying a new trial was pointless because he couldn't possibly win. The judge also found that 12 of 14 alleged incidents of domestic violence against Amber Heard had occurred, but they didn't seem real to us. Thank goodness Amber decided to write something new about him so that he could sue her once more. The Sun made its defense with help from Amber and her lawyers. But she was not the one getting sued. The Fairfax case in the US, on the other hand, was personal. It was also about an article in the Washington Post, but one with Amber's name on it.
I was staring at the blue lights and my chest was on this, my back was on the countertops.
Amber's reactions and mannerisms during that time were so different to the version of Amber Heard during the Fairfax trial. Is it possible that maybe she took acting classes because she knew this would be televised? Maybe, but she can't escape the fact that people can see through her and still know that she's lying about the whole thing. Twitter is going crazy with this information. One user said that her eyes constantly shifting around is a sign of deception. Another pointed out the exact thought we had about this entire thing. For me, her head and body movements are much stranger than her facial expressions. Her mannerisms in general are very strange. But the way she constantly looks around the room is very odd. The fact she has a completely transformed demeanor and appearance at trial speaks volumes. This just ruined her chances of appealing the jury's verdict on her being guilty. It's funny because the more she tries to push to appeal, the more horrible things are being exposed about her. She should just stop. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.